At around 12:40 a.m. of the 8th of November 2022, an accident had occurred at the IGP Point, Shillong, where a scooty bearing registration number ML05 L 9849 was hit by an unidentified white-colored vehicle, resulting in the injury of the driver of the two-wheeler dubbed Kharmuti of Lawsohtun, Shillong. As per the eyewitness Ramesh Prasad, the incident was what may be called a hit-and-run case, since the unidentified vehicle sped up from the scene despite having dashed against the moving scooty. A team of police personnel who were patrolling the area arrived on the spot and later reached the injured to the Shillong Civil Hospital for a medical checkup. Till the filing of this report, investigation into the matter is ongoing.
Oh, actually we can't say because they are on the left side and the car came from the right side.
Which side? They move in the same direction?
Same direction.
Because this is a wrong way.
No, they were both in the same direction. Even the scooty was in this way and the car was there. A white car was there.
So you couldn't take the registration number?
No, ma'am. Because we are standing far away.
Achha. You were sitting there?
Yeah, not sitting there in the compound, the Alton's compound.
Alton's compound,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
So these were coming from the left side?
They came from
the right
this
side?
Yeah.
The right side?
Right.
Both of them?
But the
Both.
car hit them from the wrong side?
Wrong side and the car color is white color.